Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the simple fix to help you solve the problem when apps on your Android device keeps on crashing. So if you have an Android device and random apps keep crashing, hopefully this video will be helpful to you. So the fix for this is quite simple and easy. It all has to do with a particular application, so let's go ahead and fix this. So the first place you want to head to is to head over to the Google Play Store. And then once you have the Play Store open, just head over to the search bar at the top of the screen and then search for Android System WebView. And then a whole lot of options should show up on your screen. You should notice the first one that shows up on your screen that says install. That's the only one we're going to be using. The other options down, please don't go and try to install them or try to run them on your mobile device. The only one we're going to be using is the first one here that says install and that says Android System WebView. So once you have that, just click on that to open it. Once you click on the application, it's possible you might have a different option here. Maybe you might have the options that says uninstall and update, but this all depends on the type of phone you're using. And then once you're on the app page on the Google Play Store, the next thing you want to do here is just to click on uninstall here on the application. And then here you'll be asked by Google if you want to uninstall the application. Just head over and say yes, so click on uninstall. And then once the app has been uninstalled from your mobile device, you should have an option here that says updates. And once it's showing updates, you don't need to do any other thing here. You don't need to click on update or click on any other thing. You can just exit the Google Play Store here and then you should be good to go. And if for any reason your phone doesn't have the option that says uninstall or update showing on the screen, you don't need to worry so much, because after a period of time, it's possible that Google will have this problem fixed and then your Android device will work properly. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. Hopefully it was helpful to resolve your issue. If you liked this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Check out the other videos on my channel. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.